Hello, I'm Syd Atkinson. This piece right here is called Overlook 2. It's the second in a series. All of us have been overlooked at one time or another and felt that way. That's kind of what this is about. Although it's big, bold, and bright, it's hard to overlook now. I'm so glad to be part of this sculpture walk, the Cashin's sculpture walk. And thankful for Donna Kruger Gallery and Marietta for hooking me up with these good people. I've been building sculpture since 1968. Now I'm 68, so it's been a while. Hope that people will appreciate this facility as much as I do.